Hi, I'm Dr. Sonal Desai, founder of Ergo Energy LLP. We are providing energy and sustainability solutions. These are a list of our services, and one of these services is energy modeling. Energy modeling is a process in which energy consumption is estimated for a building, and this is required as a part of national as well as international compliances. So in this process, the usual way of working is the modeler has to collect data. This data is in form of building details, system details like HVAC lighting and load details. So modeler builds up the model based on this data. Then he calibrates the model and ultimately the output is available, that is energy consumption. So this entire process requires modeling software, and the entire process consumes a lot of time, starting from 2 to 3 weeks for a smaller buildings to it goes up to 8 to 10 weeks for a bigger buildings, as well as the cost associated is also very high. Range starts from 1 lakh rupees and goes as high as possible for larger size of the building. So this problem is attempted by us in a way wherein instead of doing the entire process manually, where the AutoCAD file and building information to be added by a modeler and using this toolkits, output is created. Instead of that, AI integration is used, which directly brings the solution, and by adding all these inputs to AI integrated software developed by Ergo Energy LLP, directly INP file will be generated, and this INP file will be utilized to evaluate the building. So here, let me demonstrate the entire process of AI automation of this process. Here, we are selecting a DXF file, which is usually a file provided by builder or architect, which contains building drawings and details. Additional information that is also available from consultant, that is about HVAC schedules and other load on the building. So by selecting this two file and making this program go, it will process it, it will upload the file, it will process the file, and finally create a model like this. So you can see that in a fraction of second it has created a model. Of course, it's a very single room building, but the process is much faster compared to the actual modeling process what is done in the energy simulation softwares. Not only also produces model summary mentioning detail of the building, like what are the area, facade area, and HVAC type and all details, and it can have inbuilt facility to do energy analysis, mentioning month-wise energy consumption as well as energy breakdown. We can download the INP file, that is an input file, and we can call this file to energy simulation software. Right now, this is Equus software, so I am selecting this INP file generated in the download folder. So I can call this file in Equest and then can also see the building created in Equest software. So by just adding the documents, the entire model geometry creation as well as HVAC allocation is completed. If any fine tuning is required, it can be done in the request with respect to HVAC system or with respect to any other loads to be added. Once doing it, simulation can be performed, and performing the simulation, results can be generated as per the compliance standards. So this is how AI integration with energy modeling works. This concept is discussed with couple of our existing clients, and they have shown interest as well as faith and confidence in our deliverables, and these are some of the testimonials based on our work delivered so far with them. Thank you.